Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to the captivating world of Wise is Wealthy. Today, get ready to dive into a treasure chest of delightful hobbies that bring both happiness and enrichment. So find a cozy spot, grab a tasty snack, and join us for a journey filled with excitement. Our adventure begins at number 10, where we explore the enchanting realm of pottery. Imagine playing with clay and turning it into beautiful art. It's not just a hobby, it's like telling stories with your hands. Sculpting clay allows you to create masterpieces that hold stories and memories, making your space truly unique. Moving on to number 9, we step into the captivating world of photography. Think about capturing feelings in a single snapshot. Photography is like freezing a moment forever, whether it's a sunset's warm glow or a candid laugh between friends. It's about preserving emotions in a frame, creating memories that last. Number 8 takes us on a tasty journey. Cooking adventures. The kitchen becomes your playground and recipes are your playmates. Mixing flavors together is like creating a melody of tastes. It's not just about food, it's about making meals that are as delightful to the eyes as they are to the taste buds. Let's groove to number 7, the dance mania. Whether you're dancing to your own rhythm or following a beat, you're expressing yourself through movement. Dance is like sharing your feelings with graceful steps. Each twirl, each sway is a piece of your heart that you're showing to the world. Number 6 introduces us to the language fiesta. Learning a new language is like discovering a secret code to connect with people from all over the world. Speaking another language opens doors to cultures and friendships. It's not just words. It's a way to bridge gaps and build connections. Get ready for tranquility at number 5, gardening haven. Imagine having your own green oasis, where you care for plants like they're part of your family. Gardening is like watching a story unfold as plants grow from tiny seeds to blooming beauty. It's a peaceful way to find joy in nurturing life. Feel the melody of number 4, the musical journey. Playing an instrument is like speaking a language that everyone understands. Music. It's not just about hitting the right notes. It's about sharing your emotions through melodies. Each tune is a piece of your heart that you're sharing with others. Number 3 invites us to adventure extravaganza. Adventures aren't just about going places. They're about making memories and discovering new horizons. From hiking to camping, every adventure is a chance to embrace the unknown and make unforgettable stories. Discover Serenity at number 2 with mindful meditation. In the middle of a busy world, meditation is like finding a quiet corner for yourself. It's about finding peace within chaos. Breathing deeply helps you stay grounded and present. And finally, the most exciting part, number 1, DIY everything. Dive into DIY projects and let your creativity flow. Creating with your hands is like turning your imagination into reality. Whether it's crafting or building, DIY is a way to make your space truly yours. So there you have it, our journey through these incredible hobbies. If this adventure sparked something in you, remember to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our lively community. Until we meet again, keep exploring life's wonders, embracing growth, and pursuing your passions. This is Wise is Wealthy, signing off. Stay curious, keep exploring, and keep chasing your passions.